Good morning, everyone, and welcome to my channel. I'm Moses. Many of you have probably heard me say that I make my own potting soil, but I've never really made a video showing the process, so I'm going to do that now. Let's go. Okay, this is a brick of coco coir. I got it off of Amazon. I'm going to mix it in a 5-gallon bucket, and I'm going to pour warm water in it. And the coco coir will absorb the water once the coco coir has cooled down some, so that I don't burn myself. I'm going to mix in perlite and some bone meal, some blood meal. In this container I have Doctor's Earth fertilizer, and I have to get my compost. Everything that I am using you can get off Amazon or go to your local big box store, Walmart, Lowe's. So let's get started. Okay, I'm going to take the coco coir, and it comes wrapped like a brick. And this is just basically compressed coconut hulls or a husk, and it's made into a brick. I'm going to place it into my 5-gallon bucket. I have some hot water that I heated up on my range, and I'm going to pour almost all of it in, and then I'm going to wait until the coco coir absorbs it. So we have a little bit, and I'll be back when that process is done. Okay, as you can see, the coco coir has absorbed the water. It looks like I can go ahead and add the other components in, so I'm going to do so. It looks warm, so warm, so I'm going to use my hand trowel as opposed to putting gloves on. So I'm going to add compost. Okay, so here's the compost. The formula that I normally use is 1/3 coco coir, 1/3 compost, and 1/3 perlite. And now we're going to mix everything together. Okay, and this is what it looks like. And now I'm going to add the amendments in. Fertilizer. Bone meal. And blood meal. I think it's cooled down enough for me to use at least one glove. Okay, as you can see, thoroughly mixed, and it looks just like a store-bought band or a name brand one. Okay, I'm going to let this cool, and then when I get ready to start my fall or winter crops, I'm going to be using this to put in my pots. I hope you enjoyed this little quick presentation. It's simple, anyone can do it. If you have any questions, by all means leave it in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have subscribed, thank you. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload a video. You can share my video as well. Until next time, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow lots of food. Stay safe, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow.